everybody, I promised you in a previous video that I would show you how I installed Stormfront so that you can use it with your Gemstone 4 game. And that's this video. Hello. There are, of course, other uh, UIs that you can use to play Gemstone on, but I think this is the cleanest, especially if you're just starting the game out. I know that if you're just starting the game, you're probably playing it in browser, and it's not a very good UI. But the Stormfront UI cleans things up quite a bit. Let me just pull up a numpad here. So for example, you're going to find on the web browser that you get kind of stuck using your directions because you have to type in north, hit enter, have to type in east, hit enter. It's actually very, very easy on the Stormfront client. You'll just have to use the number pad as long as you've got numlock on. 5 will take you out of a place, 8 will take you north, 9 northeast, 6 east, all the way around. 0 is down, the period is up, health, info, it's all sitting here, and you don't have to hit enter again. It's just an automatic push. You can also use macros in Stormfront, which becomes very easy later on. I've actually got a channel in my Discord for macros, so let me know if you want that. But we're going to go ahead and get started on installing this so that you don't have to sit in the browser the whole time. So we're going to start by going to the website, which is play.net/gs4. You can also just go to play.net and select Gemstone if you want. And we're going to use the search bar down here and just type in Stormfront, one word, and hit enter. It'll give us a few links, but we're looking for the first one. It's got a little UI next to it. It's really convenient, called Stormfront Interface. Go ahead and click on that and it'll open a window for you. You're going to get a warning about ActiveX being enabled or disabled. Don't really look too deeply into it. I believe ActiveX was something that very old computers needed. You know, the game is 25 years old or something like that. And this system has kind of been put out of its place by better, newer systems, so you don't really need to worry about ActiveX existing anymore. We're not actually going to use any of these links. We're going to use the very first one they offer you. So where it says download and install right here, go ahead and click on that. And again, you're going to use the very first link they offer you. Where it says step 1, just click download the launcher, and you'll get something called launchinst.exe. Go ahead and open that, and you'll get a privacy verification that you want to download this, and just go ahead. It'll open a big blue window that looks very, very old. All you have to do is slam the next button, and it's done. And that was it. It installed in maybe a second and a half. So now how do we use it? Well, we're going to go back to our home page, and we're going to log in. If you're not logged in already, username and password are at the top. If you are, there's an option right here that says Go Play. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to select a character and select connection. You're probably going to have one character if you're just starting out. Just pick that one, and then your connection method, it probably starts you on Play in browser. Swap it to Stormfront by just clicking on the button on the side, hit Go Play, and it will install a file for you that's got your character name .sal. And you're going to go ahead and launch that. Again, make sure the privacy settings are working, and it'll download the latest version of Stormfront, which I think was still in beta and they just never fixed it. Once that's all installed, there might be a warning that you need to restart your computer. You don't need to restart your computer. That is an old-timey, like, oh, the computer's too slow to do this on its own. Just go ahead and hit cancel, and the game will start up for you. And if it doesn't start up for you, then you might have to reinstall. Or, no, excuse me, you might have to restart your computer. Don't worry about reinstalling. But if everything went well, you should be logged in. So that is how you install Stormfront, and if you have any problems, please let me know. I am here to help, and you can always message me in the Discord or PM me. I'm the Dungeon Master Dominikov. If there's a problem, I'm here to help. Check my other video for how to get out of wherever you are and get to Wunder's Landing where we can all hang, and I will see you then.